Hi team, this is Chris Abraham from GOHmath. This spring and fall we're hosting a whole brand new series of workshops for teachers for math, science, English, and history. You should check out these workshops. We're going to be holding them in Massachusetts, in Florida, in New York, in California. Check them out. I'm sure you'll find them very helpful. Take care. Hi team, this is Chris Abraham from GOHmath. Today we're going to do a new problem as part of the GOHmath 2015 Teacher Workshop Series. We're going to do number 35 from the CBEST Elementary Math Practice Test. Now this is a nice problem because it reviews some core strategies you can use for percent problems. And I think this will help you whether you're a teacher in California or New York or Massachusetts or Florida. You can use this problem to review some of those nuts and bolts math concepts and strategies that you're going to see on your teacher certification exams. So let's take a look at number 35. First, I'll read it over. I want you to think about the central image as I read it over. Number 35. A school district is proposing a 5% increase in the number of days in a school year. Currently, there are 180 days in a school year. How long would a school year be with a proposed increase? Now think about that. What's the central image? What are we talking about here? Well, there's this idea of a school year. And that appears, what, 1, 2, 3 times in this very short passage. So I think that should be our starting image, a school year. When we think of a school year, we're told that a school year, it's made up one school year, 1 year, right, is equal to 180 days. And we can think of this as 1 year as being 100% of the school year. Well, they want to add on. They want to increase, or this is another way of thinking about adding. They want to add on 5% more. Just 5% more, not much. So that's an additional 5%, and we want to think about that as something that we're going to add to this to our full school year. That's something that we're going to add on. So some 5% is going to translate into a certain amount of days. And that's going to give us a new total amount of days for that school year, which will equal 105%. Now there's a bunch of ways to solve this. I could solve it with the model drawing. I could say to myself, well, this is 100% of the school year is 180 days. So I could divide that school year up if I wanted to into chunks of 10. So here I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 even chunks. Imagine they were even. Each of these would be equal to, each one of those would be equal to 10%. I could write down 10 in all these ones here, which would all add up to 100%. And 10% of 180 is 18, is that right? So I just found out that 10% is 18. And if I'm thinking about this as 5%, well, 5% is half of 10%, so half of 18 would be 9. I just found out that the school year is made up of 189 days. There's other ways to do this problem too. Let's try another way. Maybe even a faster way, a little bit more basic way, but a faster way to get to the answer. If I know 100% is equal to 180 days, I could break that 100% in and find out what 10% of it is. If 100% is 180, 10% would be 18. Well, 5% is half of 10%, so half of 18 is 9. Now, if I want to find out what 100% plus 5% is, and that's really the same as doing 180 plus 9 gets me 189. Another way to get to the 189 answer. The answer here is D. All right, hope you enjoyed this video, team. This is Chris Abraham from GOHmath. Have a great day. Take care.